Sometimes I feel bad for anyone who's trying to learn how to do makeup today. I feel like in an age of TikTok and Reels, we're all incentivized to just make really short videos where we skip a lot of steps. I learned how to do makeup in an age of YouTube. I watched every single step. I watched for 5 minutes while somebody blended out their eyeshadow, but it's how I learned how to perfect my technique. I truly believe that you don't need to know how to do 30 looks. You just need to find something that makes you feel confident and comfortable. For me, this is my go-to look. You don't need to go out and buy any new products. You probably already have a palette somewhere laying at home. If you're in the market for a new one, I reluctantly recommend this one. Why reluctantly? Because I have 65 new palettes that I need to test that were sent to me by these amazing brands. But somehow I was influenced to spend my own money and buy this very expensive palette. But I've been reaching for it every day since. Adding a little bit of this light shimmery color in the inner corners, those are called your tear ducts, and underneath your brow is such a fun way to make your eyes look a little bit more open. Unless you're new here, you know that I love a good brown eyeliner. I feel like it's the perfect balance of emphasizing your eyes without making it look too dramatic. This one is actually from the Sephora collection. Like any good eye look, you have to finish up with mascara, and lately I've been reaching for two. One that's volumizing and then one that's lengthening. And yeah, layering your mascaras is totally a thing. I'll link all the products that I use to make it easy for you, but really it's about technique. If you want to see an in-depth video on how I do my eyeshadow every step of the way, just write eyeshadow in the comments.